अस्सलाम वालेकुम। तो आज हम जिस प्रॉब्लम को देख रहे हैं वो है प्रॉब्लम नंबर 3 फ्रॉम प्रोजेक्ट ऑयलर। This is find the largest prime factor of a given number. The prime factor of 13195 are 5, 7, 13 and 29. What is the largest prime factor of number, this given number? So we have to find the largest prime factor for this given number. Okay, let's dive into it. As usual, I have created a template for this problem, जिसमें I am calling a large prime factor of number with an input. This method will be responsible for returning us the largest prime factor of a given number. First, we will solve for this short number. Then we will find the answer for this one and try out on the project Euler. सबसे पहले तो हम डिस्कस करते हैं प्राइम नंबर्स को। प्राइम नंबर्स आर दोज दैट आर डिविजिबल बाय देमसेल्फ और वन। वो अपने अलावा और वन के अलावा किसी नंबर पे डिविजिबल नहीं होते। तो हमें वो वाले प्राइम नंबर्स फाइंड करने हैं जो कि गिवन नंबर के फैक्टर्स हों। तो देयर आर टू कंडीशंस कि दैट नंबर शुड बी प्राइम एंड दैट number should be a factor of a given number. सो किसी भी नंबर के जो फैक्टर्स हैं वो बेसिकली वो नंबर्स होते हैं जिन पे गिवन नंबर फुली डिविजिबल हो विदाउट एनी रिमाइंडर। फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर मैं बोलूं कि हमारे पास 18 के फैक्टर्स क्या होंगे तो दैट वुड बी 1 2 3 6 9 एंड 18, बिकॉज 18 इज फुली डिविजिबल बाय दीज ऑल दीज नंबर। तो हमें इस प्रॉब्लम में सिर्फ वो वाले फैक्टर्स चाहिए जो इटसेल्फ प्राइम हो। लेट्स फर्स्ट रिमूव दैट। Okay, I will add that above. Factors of 18. These are the factors of 18. But we are only interested in prime factors of 18, specifically the highest one. Okay, so the first approach could be, अच्छा, फर्स्ट अप्रोच हमारी हो सकती है that we find a sequence of prime numbers and then we can iterate through those prime numbers to find numbers that are factors of given number. It means कि हम वो वाले नंबर सेलेक्ट करेंगे जो जिन पे गिवन नंबर फुली डिविजिबल होगा without any reminder. And then step 3 could be return the largest number. इस अप्रोच के थ्रू हम ये प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व तो कर सकते हैं, लेकिन उसके लिए पहले हमें प्राइम नंबर्स का सीक्वेंस फाइंड करना है। वी आर नॉट श्योर कि हमें वो सीक्वेंस कितना बड़ा चाहिए, क्योंकि हमें लार्जेस्ट प्राइम नंबर ऑफ अ गिवन नंबर फाइंड करना है। तो हम सीक्वेंस कहाँ तक फाइंड करेंगे? फॉर एग्जांपल, हम पहले 20 प्राइम नंबर सीक्वेंस निकालते हैं और उनमें वी आर नॉट श्योर कि इससे बड़ा फैक्टर नहीं होगा गिवन नंबर का, राइट? So this could be a problem. I have learned another way to implement this solution, and that is second approach. This is what we are going to implement. We will divide a given number by 2 and update the original number if the number is even. ओके तो पहला स्टेप है, हम अगर गिवन नंबर हमारा इवन है तो हम उस इवन नंबर को 2 पे डिवाइड करते जाएंगे जब तक वो इवन रहता है। जैसे ही वो ऑड हो जाता है तो हम स्टेप नंबर 2 पे मूव करेंगे। स्टेप नंबर 2 वुड बी loop through all odd numbers from, let's say, 3 to square root of number। ये वो नंबर है जो हमने अपडेट किया ऊपर वाले स्टेप 1 में। Step number 3 would be we will check if the number is fully divisible by odd numbers in loop. Now step number 4 would be if it is divisible, we will update a max factor variable and divide the number. This number is from again step 1. Divide the number with odd number from loop, and step number 5 would be update the number with the result of division, and at last we will be going to check if a number is greater than 2, we will return number, else we are going to return the max factor variable. Okay, this is the summary we are going to implement. This is the quite efficient way to solve this problem. First of all, let's define this max factor variable. Max factor equals to 0. We will initialize it with 0. We can simply check that while number is even, divide the number by 2 and save it in the original, and in this step we also need to update the max factor equals to 2. Okay, so we are done with the first step. अगला step हमारा है loop through all odd numbers from, let's say, 3 to square root of the number from the loop. So what we can do is from 3 to math dot square root of number do, we can I am going to step number 1, we can say step 2. We need to make sure that we are just going through odd numbers, right? Next, if number is even. So here we are going to start the step number 3. Step 3. Okay. So we will check if the number is fully divisible by odd numbers. Number percentage I equals to 0, and if it's divisible, we will update the max factor variable and divide the number with odd number from loop. So what we need to do, we can max factor equals to I, and we will again divide the numbers with I, right? So okay, now we are updating max factor with the I if the number is fully divisible by I. Basically, we are checking if the given odd number is factor of this number. Here, and this is step 5. Okay, so mm, at the end, outside of this loop, we will be checking if number is greater than 2, then we will return the number, else we are going to return max factor. Step number 6. And let's test it with the given solution first. The prime factor of 13195. If I run this from here, aha! So I need to fix this. Yeah, we are going to iterate through from number 3 to square root of this number, and I forgot to add this each loop. And if I run now, we should be able to get 29, which is the right answer. Okay, now let's try it with the given number, and now the moment of truth. We have this number 6857. Let's test this on Project Euler. If I paste that number over here and press check, yeah, congratulations, the answer you gave is correct. That worked. It means we are done with problem 3. I will be back with another one, so stay tuned. Until then, Allah Hafiz.